Marching through wind and rain from decades, we are accumulating with sophisticated experience. We are seeing there is a new vigor and vitality in the market. Moving ahead, like riding on wind and breaking through the waves, we are measuring each step precisely in our path. From each screw to every set of machine, we are gathering our team strength in one place. Let our branded fabrication to be more unique. We are keeping our company's spirit of quality, innovation, and service from the beginning to the end. Jinjiang Shunchang Machine Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional sanitary disposable products machine manufacturer with research, design, manufacture, sale, and service, who is located in a soaring economic development area of Wuli Industrial Park, Jinjiang City, Fujian Province. We are named to be one of the most active producers in machine business. Shunchang Machine was established in 2007. In these 10 years, we are insisting in a management philosophy of keeping innovating, keeping serving, keeping moving, introducing advanced technologies at home and abroad, growing up along with market demand, keeping a constant research and development in its own R&D hub, holding many advanced and core know-how in its fellow field, building high-performance machines in a leading position among all manufacturers. We are an enterprise honored with National Intellectual Property Certification, ISO approval, AAA level credibility, and provincial high-tech in Fujian Province. After establishment, we are mainly engaged in manufacturing and supplying the women, babies, and adults disposable sanitary products machines and the relevant automatic parking equipment. Now, we are developing to be a leading supplier in feminine and baby items. There is a unique advantage of modern market demand for adult incontinence product. We are maintaining a striving attitude for pursuing 3 types of market principles of base, seeds, and service. Obtaining knowledge by investigation of things. Jinjiang Shunchang Machine is always focusing on professional manufacture and providing customized service, organizing a batch of sophisticated product, mechanical and electrical engineers with several years' experience, building an extremely high-tech team. From the beginning of product design, we will send our team to do research at the customer's plans, to design the products according to requirements of the market and the customer's interest, and to study the product's appearance, structure, application and performance, etc. Hence, we are enabled to provide customers with more accurate and flexible service and to build customers' machines for meeting product requirements of high quality, fast-moving, and low cost. Taking production as foundation of R&D, Jinjiang Shunchang Machine bears in mind of quality should be started from each piece of screw, engages in building high specification and precision production lines, conveys a healthy dialogue between quality and market, and erects famous brand dignity from quality. We set up our own parts tooling technology system, introducing many advanced process equipment globally, including turn milling, horizontal 5-axis, and gantry CNC with brands of Mazak, Japan, Morisiki, Japan, and Togami, Japan. Hence, we can achieve our own capacity of supplying parts speedily, effectively, precisely, and sufficiently. All of our process should be executed according to the ISO quality standard, controlling quality from each step in manufacture, building every set of machine as per CE approval. The machine is to be assembled in module design, which can be allowed to be debugging and tested solely. it can realize non-stop material slicing and the possibility for upgrading new technology structure. Its full servo-driving device can be applied for generating high-standard productions. The machine can be operated from each piece of material to final output in integrity. The machine has a function of anti-overloading force, which can assure each piece of product to be manufactured efficiently and steadily in operation. The whole machine is also to be equipped with HMI interface, highly sensitive sensors, and auto quality control units. It can be erected with machine characteristics of intelligence, easy operation, reliability, and long life, etc. Knowing what customers desire for. Growing up together with clients, coming from spirit of humanist, is a part of our business philosophy. We are highly bearing in mind of sincere service from A to Z and constructing a complete set of service systematism. We are providing service for machine installation and testing. All of our people should be well trained and pass the exam in machine maintenance. Every set of machine is to be tested perfectly before being introduced into the market. It can greatly assure machine quality output and escort high standard usage. We adopt electricity control, pneumatic and transmission parts from many branded companies all over the world, such as Siemens, Germany, Festo, Germany, Mitsubishi, Japan, and Schneider, French, etc. There are millions of units storage in our own warehouse. Our company can sustain demand sufficiently whenever there should be a need from R&D, manufacture, or after-sales service, which can assure an effective machine manufacture. Our company extends after-sales service for customers at a certain time. Besides, we developed our own remote control system, which can control customers' real-time manufacture data accurately, so as to approach a zero-distance communication with customers in manufacture. We are tooling more than 90% mechanical parts precisely ourselves, arranging professional workers to join in the service, which can provide a 24-hour service in a true sense. Meeting demand with creation, gaining market with quality and costume brand with service. Jinjiang Shunchang machine is maintaining sincerity, looking into future and developing under a continuous setting and struggling in industry, receiving experience from all customers, combining in-market statistics, studying and analyzing product requirements, keeping innovation as a motion pioneer, optimizing product demand, and digging out technology possibility in practice. We obtain a good reputation from customer while supplying advanced and superior quality machines and providing a complete set of systematic service effectively. It can set up around 100 set of production lines with a value more than RMB 300 million yearly. Nowadays, we already exported and built up machines successfully from China to many countries in EU, South America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, West Asia, and Africa, etc., establishing a long-term and steady cooperative relationship with many branded companies internationally. Time is changing. We are casting our own mastery among severe competition wave, breaking it through and moving ahead. In future, Jinjiang Shunchang machine is still adhering to a spirit of credibility, creation, cooperation, and share. We are bearing our responsibility for building extremely high-level quality of disposable sanitary products machines. Let us to be a benchmarking of quality, to keep ahead and to pursue an outstanding growth as a creator in this field.